No-nonsense farm. Today is a quick trip in the bee yard. All we're doing is this hive we call Casablanca. We put a new queen in her 14 days ago today. I have seen her out walking on the comb, but I have not seen eggs yet. So we have to check and see if she is laying, because I'm about to leave for 2 weeks. And if this hive does not have a laying queen, she's going to dwindle away and perish. And this is a very strong hive, so I have high hopes for her making honey. So I want to make sure she has a laying queen before I leave. So we're going to open her up. If she has one, great. We'll do a queen dance. We should do a laying queen dance.
Okay.
Don't you think if she's, yeah. Well, if we find her.
Okay.
And then if she doesn't, what we're going to do is we're going to get one of the nukes that we have that has a laying queen, put it in a 10-frame box, and do a newspaper combine. So either way, this will be an exciting video. Stay tuned. This has historically been a spicy hive, so we'll give her some smoke. Oh, and sure enough, as soon as we smoke them, they're like, hey, we don't like you. So there's a lot of, see how there's lots more bees over there than there are right here?
So you're thinking that might be brood?
If there is brood, that's probably where it is. All right, now we're getting into these frames that there could be brood in. Oh, that's a bunch of nectar. That's a bunch of nectar. See drones. I don't see queen yet. Yep, all nectar still. Still just all nectar. I don't see anything on the next one. Oh, what do we got? Oh, it's kind of looking like it's attached to it for some reason. Well, I don't think there's anything on that one from what I can see of the face of it. So, I'm gonna see if there's anything going on in the bottom box.
Can you help lifting it?
Yeah, I think I'll be all right. Yeah, here's how it was stuck together.
Oh.
Thank you. All right, let's give it a little more smoke here. Oh, please let there be brood. Please, please, please. All nectar again. Feels like they're challenging my zippers a little much.
It looks like they're down.
They're drawing out wax. That's beautiful wax right there. It's not looking good.
No.
Yeah, I really don't think so. All right, so I'm gonna put these guys back together. We're gonna go get another 10-frame box. I guess we need to evaluate those nukes and see which one we want to combine with. But let's get these guys put back together so they can settle down a little bit. Leave me alone. And I didn't even see the queen this time. And she's marked, so you would think that you would see her. All right, so we do not have a laying queen. We're gonna go evaluate our nukes and see which one we wanna combine them with so that they have a queen. I'm glad we checked. All right. I say all right too much. It really bugs me when I'm editing videos. It's like that's every other word I say. All right. Check in this one. Okay. Please have babies. Please have babies. A lot of pollen and some honey. Just honey on that side. Will you hold that? There's a queen cage on that brick, so it wouldn't sit nicely. Woo, looky there. Oh, and I do see very young larvae. That's nice. That's a nice frame right there. So I think our bot queen actually did a good job. And there she is. Do you see her? And do you see her? She's marked blue right there.
Towards the
She's toward my right hand.
Oh, okay.
You see
Oh
her?
yeah, I see her.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
She's pretty big. Yeah. All right, so two things we need to decide. Yeah, I think let's do her. She's a brand new queen. Yeah, let's combine this one. So we need to go back to the barn, get a 10 frame box and 5 frames, and then we'll take this over there and some newspaper. We got to bring newspaper. Oh, there's the lid behind him. Like, where's the lid? We've decided we're going to split Casablanca into 2 boxes and combine it with 2 different hives with good queens. So that's what we're going to do. So anyway, stay tuned. Okay. When you combine 2 bee colonies, you put a layer of newspaper between them so that they have to chew through it, so that the 2 colonies, or so that the new colony gets used to the new queen's pheromones. Does that make sense? Okay, why don't you take that lid off? Here, I wonder if that'll help.
Oh yeah.
Okay. All right, now let's pick this top box and just put it over here. Let me get my hive tool out of the way. Okay.
Okay, feels good.
All right, now we'll put this here. All right, now let's go get that nuke. All right, let's put this one on top of that one so we're not bending over all the time. On top of that one.
Okay.
Just set it there. All right. Okay. Now, we're just gonna put these in exactly the same orientation that they were in before. Excellent. That's so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And now we'll leave these out here till I get home because they'll have bees all over them. To review, originally when we got here this morning, Casablanca, both layers of Casablanca were right here. We took a single deep hive and put it on top of this, so the Casablanca bees are on the bottom. We took the former top of Casablanca, put it right here, and that is another. So the queen is here and the queen is here. So we'll see if it makes any difference. I don't know if it will. We looked it up online, and it some resources said one way, some resources said the other way. So we'll see what happens. All right, it'll be a while until I can check on them because I'm about to leave for 2 weeks. But in the meantime, see you on the next video.